All right, we got some Irish cream, we got some Irish whiskey, some more Irish whiskey. Oh, this is a challenge, isn't it? Haha, that's right. Welcome to Drunken Shamrock 2021, the latest in the cocktail community challenges. This one is St. Patrick's Day themed, obviously. So once again, I have teamed up with Vino at 60 Second Cocktails and David at Booze on the Rocks to bring you this St. Patrick's Day themed challenges. So just like all our other challenges, we've got some rules. Rule number 1, you gotta make it green. I know it's tacky, but it's fun. Make it green. Rule number 2, you make it Irish inspired. So you could use some Irish whiskey, you could use some Baileys, you could use, I don't know, a potato and make it Irish inspired. And it doesn't have to be ingredients. You know, you can be inspired by Irish culture, Irish music, whatever. And obviously use the hashtag Drunken Shamrock 2021 and release it before the end of the month, end of March. Okay, so I'm going to show you just how easy this challenge is. I'm going to make one right now. Okay, so we're going to do an Irish Stinger. So this is an Irish take on the Stinger, which is cognac and creme de menthe, but we're going to be doing some Irish whiskey instead. So 2 ounces of Jameson Irish whiskey, lovely Irish whiskey, love that stuff. After that, we're going to do a half an ounce of creme de menthe. I've got this McGuinness brand creme de menthe, even sounds Irish. It's actually Canadian, but so half an ounce of creme de menthe. And after that, we're going to do 2 dashes of absinthe. If you've seen my Stinger video, it's not traditional, but it's really nice, adding a bit of absinthe to a Stinger. All right, after that, let's drop a big cube of ice. And let's give our Irish Stinger a stir. All right, while I'm stirring this cocktail, I'm going to tell you to head over to my website so you can download all the logo files, the animations, everything you need to edit your video for this challenge. So the link will be in the description. Click below and you can get all those files in 1080p and 4K. All right, we're just about good here. We are chilled, we are diluted. Irish Stinger, Drunken Shamrock 2021, just that easy. You know, it's Irish inspired, it's green. Ah, shit, it's not green. Damn it. Okay, we can fix that. There we go, quick special effects. Just move this over there, move this here. Boom, green cocktail. We got it, we did it. All right, guys. Well, just like every other challenge, we just love seeing everyone's submissions. So we can't wait to see everyone's submissions to this one. It's going to be fantastic. Cheers, guys, and come on. There we go. Cheers. No, you're from Newfoundland.